Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Children, today we are going to learn a new thing. Are you ready children? Yes, okay. Today we are going to learn vowels and consonants. Okay. So before that what you have to do? You have to get ready with your worksheet and take page number 45. Are you ready? Okay now. So today you are going to learn what children? Vowels and consonants. So before starting our class, let's sing a rhyme. Okay, now just stand up in your place and then sing louder, okay? The rhyme is A, B, C, D. Have you got it? Now shall sing it together. Now sing louder. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, how nicely you sang. You are good children, okay? Now you just sit in your place. So, today we are going to learn what children? Vowels and consonants. Okay? So, let me ask you some question. Beginning of my class, I ask a question. That is, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Okay? And can you say the answer children? Yes, there are 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Isn't it? Okay? Now, so 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Okay, we can divide these 26 letters into 2. You got it? 26 letters are divided into 2. Okay, these 26 letters we can divide into 2. Those are vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Okay, first we can learn about vowels. Okay. Now, I have written the 26 letters. Can you see children? Okay, the 5 of them are written in red in color and rest of the letters are written in blue in color. Okay, we just pick out the letters that written in red in color. Which are they? You say one by one. A, E, I, O, U. Say one more time children. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, very good. So, these letters are known as vowels. Okay. So, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. It's just like our 5 fingers. A, E, I, O, U. It's just like our 5 finger. A, E, I, O, U. You just repeat after me children. A, E, I, O, U. So, A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels. You got it children? Okay. So, let me say one more time. 26 letters are there in English alphabet. From that, the 5 of them are vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Got it? Next, you just take out your worksheet children. Just take out your worksheet. So when I am reading, you just point out in your worksheet. Okay, each word you have to point out and try to read after me. Okay. 5 letters of the 26 alphabets are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Got it? Unlike consonant, this differ from consonant. Okay, the vowels are differ from consonants. Each vowel has more than one type of sound or can even be silent with no sound at all. Okay, look at this sentence children. Each vowel has more than one type of sound. You understand the meaning? That means each vowel has more than one type of sound. Okay, if you take the example, the word apple. What's the first letter of the word apple? A, isn't it? What's the sound made by letter A? That is A, isn't it? Apple. Now, when we take the word army, A-R-M-Y, army. Now, can you see what is the first letter of the word army? A, isn't it? And what is the sound? R sound. Okay. So, both are A letter, but the sound is making what? Different sound is making. That is the meaning. Okay. Each vowel has more than one type of sound. Okay. Each A is a vowel. So, it's having different sound. Okay. When we take the word apple, A sound. And when we take the word army, R sound. You got it? O can even be silent with no sound at all. Sometimes the vowel sound will be silent. Okay. When we take the example knife, K-N-I-F-E. Okay. What's the last letter, children? E, isn't it? So when we say the word, the E is silent. Okay. And also when we take the word B, B-E. So the E is also silent there. You got it? Did you understand its meaning? So you just repeat after me. Okay. 5 letters of the 26 alphabets are vowels A, E, I, O, U. Unlike consonants, each vowel has more than one type of sound or can even be silent with no sound at all. Understand about the vowel? Okay, next we can move on to what, children? It's consonant. Okay, now look at the letter one more time. Okay, here you can see the some letters are written in red in color, that is vowels. Now can you see the rest of the letters written in blue in color? So those letters are known as what? Consonant. Okay, so 26 letters are there in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the letters are consonant. Got it? So which are the consonant? We just tell one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so 5 of them are vowels and the rest of the 21 letters are consonant. So which are the consonant, children? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are known as what, children? Consonant. Okay. You just look out your worksheet. Okay. And point out each word with your pencil. Okay. The consonant is used to refer to a letter of an alphabet that denotes a consonant sound. Okay. So what, did you understand the meaning? That is what the consonant is used to refer to a letter of an alphabet. It's a letter of an alphabet that denotes what? It denotes a consonant sound. The 21 consonants in the English alphabet are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. And did you understand what do you mean by vowels and consonant? Okay. So I'll tell one more time. 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Okay. A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels and rest of the letters are known as consonants. Children, I hope you understood today's class. What you have to do is, you have to study these vowels and the consonant sound. Okay, and after studying this, what you have to do is what? You have to do page number 45 and 46. In page number 45, you can see a picture. What you have to do is you have to color the vowel. Okay, the vowel letters you have to color. And in page number 46, you have to color what? All the consonant letters. Okay, and you have to read the definition also. Okay, so bye children, and see you on the next video. Bye.